We're back on the Dodge van. Okay, I found their problem. So they replaced the condenser, but they damaged the O-rings, and they didn't damage the O-rings. I mean, they didn't replace the O-rings. So they got me out here for basically nothing. Well, they sent it over from the other shop, and they said, oh, we don't have the O-rings. Wait, you tried to do a repair, you do a condenser, you do lines, but you're going to take off a condenser, and what are you going to do? You're going to fucking use the old O-rings like an idiot? Well, now they get a $185 charge for me just to come out here and throw my nitrogen on it, find a leak, and now they could replace the O-rings and they get charged for that. So, alright, so this was a short one. This is somebody who definitely should have never touched air conditioning in the first place. And yes, I disconnected the cap down, where's the high side cap? Way down there. And like you've seen the green dye from the video 1 in the low side, they don't even have a set of gauges to hook up to the high side. That's why you didn't see no green dye in the high side, because it came from a shop who only has cans and one hose. One of those jerk off squirt guys who calls himself a shop and screws up people's cars. So that's what's going on here. Alright guys, I'll see you later in the next one.